Most shots fired under operational conditions will be against moving targets, and most frequently from the standing or kneeling position when in close country or urban areas, and during the advance and attack. It is important that soldiers know what allowances to make for target movement and the techniques used to apply them in any firing position. Frequent practice is required to achieve and maintain a high degree of skill in engaging moving targets. When a shot is fired at a moving target, the target continues to move during the time of flight of the bullet. To allow for this movement, it is necessary to aim in front of the target, otherwise shots will fall behind it. This aiming in front to anticipate the movement of the target is known as lead. The amount of lead necessary will depend on the speed, range, and direction of movement. A running man will require more lead than a man walking. A target moving obliquely across the front will require less lead than a direct crossing target, and a target advancing head-on or moving away from the firer requires no lead at all. The further the target is away, the greater is the lead required to allow for its movement. Soldiers must acquire the feel for the correct lead necessary to hit moving targets under various conditions. This proficiency will only be achieved by frequent practice. A moving target can only be effectively engaged when the correct lead or point of aim has been taken. There are two methods of engaging moving targets: the basic method and the ambush. With the basic method, the firer comes into the aim behind the target and swings through the target to the leading edge. Without checking the swing, open fire and, if necessary, increase the lead while firing a series of shots. Continue to fire until the target is hit or goes to ground. If it is difficult to swing with the target, as from a prone or sitting position where both elbows are rested, the ambush method is used. With this method, the firer selects a point of aim ahead of the target and comes into aim. Commence firing prior to the target reaching the selected point of aim, and continue firing until the target is hit, goes to ground, or the selected point of aim falls behind the target. Operational conditions may not allow the soldier to use the sights of the weapon. In this situation, the shotgun technique should be used. The soldier has both eyes open, head well up, and concentrates on the target, not on the barrel line. This technique can be effective up to 150 meters. The success a soldier experiences in hitting a moving target is based on how quick and accurate are the estimate of the range, angle, and speed of that target. These skills can only be achieved by constant practice.